Today, I'm going to show you guys a really cute manicure that I'm going to do with you guys using this design, using the Tropicana plate. And I was inspired to do an Andy Warhol design. So kind of keeping in that idea of Andy Warhol, and I'm going to stamp that across the nails using different colors. Right now, I'm just doing some reverse stamping. I'm going to just use the banana as the single design. So when you're reverse stamping, again, make sure that your polish is wet or almost dried polish. So here I have my 5 crazy bananas. And now let's transfer these over to my sticky base and just stamping it in the middle. So that is what the design looks like. So don't forget to put your smudge-free top coat to seal in your design. Give me some hearts if you guys are into it.